Assalamualaikum to Madam and all my friend. Today we are going to do the oral presentation. First thing first, as a presenter, let me introduce about myself. My name is Shafari Aiman bin Samsul Azhar. I am from DKM 3B. My metric number is 01 DKM 20F 2056.
My name is Ahmad Ashman bin Muhammad Rosli and my matrix number is 01 DKM 20F 2058.
So today, the product that we will be presenting to you is the Canon EOS 90D, based from the Tokyo, Japan, and made by the Canon Incorporated headquarters. Let's go through for the target customer. The product is target for those who interest in photography, either they are professional or beginner, and also aim for both male and female, that is between 18 until 40 years old, especially for those who love taking pictures scenery. That's all.
So now we'll be talking about some of the features that our product Canon EOS 90D have. Firstly, we're going to talk about the size because that is like the mostly asked question from customers. The dimension of the camera are mostly 36mm and 24 times 24mm without the lens. Secondly, there is also a mode dial or camera dial that is used to change the camera mode, because most digital cameras including DSLR and SLR like cameras support modes selectable either by a rotary dial or from a menu. On point and shoot cameras which support modes, a range of scene type is offered. Thirdly, the camera also have a SD card slot to input SD card, so that every time someone takes a picture, it automatically saves it in the SD card, also known as memory card. Next, the camera also comes in with LCD screen and black in color.
Okay, and then the camera also have a shutter button. Without the shutter button, how come people going to take the picture of something, right? The shutter button also known as a function from camera. Also, the camera have built-in flash. Some other camera model also sell a standard flash, but it is mostly used by model photographer for fashion. There is also a HDMI port to project either photo or video on bigger screen such as television. So if there is a lot of people or big family members, they can enjoy it by watching on bigger screen instead of smaller screen. Then the camera also have a built-in grip using rubber as their material. So every time someone take a picture while holding the camera, the possibility to slip through our hand are low. Lastly, the most beneficially features from this camera are versatile lens. We can change the lens based on what lens we wanted, or what lens are most suitable for our daily camera use, such as for modeling, architecture, or portraiture to landscape. That's all. Okay, next we will be talking about some of the characteristics of the Canon EOS 90D. It is suitable for the most people and user-friendly. Why? Because every purchase made come with a manual book or guidebooks for those who are beginners and their starting career. Also, the product is light. Yeah, it's not very light. I mean, the product is not heavy, but it depends on what lens you use with it. But mostly lenses that come with the product are light. Then the battery are also surprisingly long-lasting, even though the size of the battery is small. It can last up to 6 to 7 hours.
Okay, next, the product are easy to carry since it has a hook light at the side of the product for neck or shoulder straps. You can also buy a bag to store the product while traveling, or maybe some of the product sellers give a bag as a gift for purchasing a camera. In addition, this product also produces a high quality image that surpasses most of the smartphone's camera. Satisfying photos are what most photographers need. Now, these are some of the strengths that we conclude from using the product. The lens of the product are quick and easy to focus, either it is far or near object. That makes the product capture faster than usual old camera product. The product also a low battery consumer because it does not need that many energy from a battery. That's why the battery lasts 6 to 7 hours. Lastly, it also have a dust removal system in the lens. The system consists of a very thin piece of filter glass placed in front of the image sensor. The area between the filter and the sensor is sealed, so no dust can enter.
Okay, let's talk about the weakness. At the end, there is also some weakness that are listed after using the product. Firstly, high price tag. Mostly DSLR camera are very expensive, although the product are the most lowest price. Based on my research, the lowest price are RM800 and above, including the tax. And that product is on entry level for those who never used DSLR and wanted to try. The higher the camera price goes, the higher our expectation goes off. Secondly, ongoing maintenance. Even though there are dust removal system, there is still dust on the outside of the camera, especially on the glass lens. That's why many camera users will store their camera in their product bag just to prevent dust on their camera and lens. Last but not least, the weight and size of the camera. Most of them are light, but some people with smaller body or shoulder, neck, edge will have issues with the camera weight. The size probably not that much of a nuisance, but for those professional user that goes one-handed, maybe feel it a little hard to carry around. Okay, so now we will be talking about solution for the weaknesses of the product. If the price is too high, we suggested on lower the price for a smaller camera size and more compact or less complicated mode, but still produce high quality image. Lastly, if the weight and size are not suitable for the user, we suggested that the product company make a smaller DSLR camera in size but the same function and still high quality image, but the price for the suggestion are not we to decide.
And for those who are interested in buying the product, we absolutely suggest you to visit Canon official store or any other camera shop that are trusted looking. Also, you can visit the official Canon website to either buy or survey your interest in camera model. But we strongly suggest that you don't buy technology item online because the risk for the product to not break to pieces are quite low. Okay, for the price and promotions, they are giving the lowest rate of the product price, that is RM2090. Also, it comes with free shipping as for the promotion. And also as a seller to a customer, they're also giving their best gift with every each product purchase. They will be giving a 8GB memory card and a free camera bag. Last but not least, they also be giving 1 year period warranty from the date of the purchase for every product purchase.
Okay, let's move on. What do you guys think about the conclusion? Okay, for me, in conclusion, we have left some point for our product features, characteristics, strength, and weakness. Not just that, we also conclude the proposed solution modification idea for the product weaknesses. So based on this point, a lot of people that have interest in photography may or may not find it helpful. Moreover, all these points are based on what we research, and some of them are on our own experience. That's all. So thank you.